Welcome to CNC Design Vault, your destination for free CNC designs.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to CNC Design Vault. In today's video, I'm going to show you this beautiful 3D CNC design created in Aspire 9.5. Let's open the project and take a closer look. As you can see, this is the complete 3D relief model. Let me rotate it so you can view the design from different angles. This gives you a better idea of the carving depth, details, and overall appearance before machining. Let me ungroup the vectors for you. As you can see, every individual element is now separated. This means you don't have to use the entire design. If you only need a specific carving or decorative element for another CNC project, you can simply select that part and use it independently. This gives you much more flexibility when creating custom furniture, doors, wall panels, or other woodworking projects. Now let's generate the 3D finishing toolpath. I'll select the finishing toolpath settings and calculate the machining preview. This preview lets you see exactly how the final carving will look before you run the job on your CNC machine. It's always a good idea to check the machining simulation first to make sure everything looks perfect. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CNC Design Vault for more free 2D and 3D CNC designs, Aspire tutorials, and woodworking ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.